Good morning, and this is the Friday session, final day of the week, 15th of June, 2018. This is a crypto day morning. Bitcoin prices in at 65.11. Like always, everything within your own risk, own reward. And this level where we stand right now with a 6,000 handle, which represents the 23.6% Fibonacci downside from the lows under 200 many years ago and the most recent highs at 20,000. So it's obviously been in a downtrend, making lower highs and matching lows for a year. It wasn't much time that you could have bought below 6, 7 even. You couldn't buy much for that long because it's raced up fast. For the low was like February the 6th, and this high, February the 20th. It took 2 weeks to go from 6,000 to close to 12,000, almost doubling from the lowest and highest points. And then in this situation, it spent some time in that area. Yes, it stayed above the 6,000 number, but it first approached that area March 29th, not leaving it till April the 12th, thus giving it 2 weeks to digest the price action area below 7,000. Its next rally was weaker, of course, getting up to 10,000, lower high from 12,000. And it really needs to clear those two resistance levels for me to say that this trend of correctionary move from this 20,000 high is over and we can resume a bull market play. Because maybe this area will be the bottom, maybe it won't. The more often support is tested, the more likely it's taken out. Within a trend like this, if you want to make the both bearish and bullish case for a rally, each time it would get smaller. This one was 12,000. This one was 10,000. Maybe if it's going to have a rally, maybe it comes up to 8,000. And then you'd be back to the whole thing again if it goes back down to 6 thereafter. But because it's established 6,000 at very strong levels, this being the third test, I'm even more confident that if it breaks down below this level, don't be surprised to see a relatively fast move or moves that would make it to the 3,000. For myself as a trader, I realize that to buy at 3,000, the most easiest way to do it is to have buy orders in around that level. For it wouldn't surprise me if we have a repeat like this on a move there where maybe in a situation, if it goes down, maybe it spends 4, 5, 6 days to get to say 4,600, and then the move happens, it goes down, and maybe it just takes like 6 to 7 hours, 8 hours to get down to say 2,800, and then 6 hours later it's at 3,600. That's the type of situation I wouldn't be surprised if it happens. And when you have the quick V-shaped moves in either direction, the easiest way always to buy and sell those numbers is via the buy and sell orders, or else you have to be very fast, have alerts ready, just be nerdish like, and knowing the numbers and being ready for the time at all situations, especially when you got things to do in your life, makes it very, very difficult. So for me, I have those 3,000 buy orders in, and I wouldn't be surprised if that was a type of move. So it just makes it it makes no difference for me. I would rather it actually go to 3,000 and then just do like this for a while until I'm done what I need to do. Then do that. But market's always going to do what it's going to do. I'm just trying to find the best probabilities and the best trade ideas for myself as I can, because risk reward management for myself is always job number one. As your portfolio nets, your net portfolio, that's what you are in control of within this crypto space. There are no other, well, I guess I was going to say there's really no third parties for the most part. I mean, there's exchanges and such, but you're the one in control of how you place your orders, where you buy, where you sell, and how you allocate your funds. That's what I like about this crypto game. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day and weekend. Bye-bye.